Just hours before the world heard the shocking news of Catherine Middleton's cancer diagnosis, another royal couple made a splash at a high-profile event. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle stepped back into the spotlight, sparking questions about their future amidst the royal family's tumultuous times. While the world grapples with this royal revelation, let's dive deeper into the latest developments surrounding Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle made a public appearance at the Kinsey African American Art and History Collections event at SoFi Stadium. Their presence at the event, just hours before Catherine Middleton's announcement, raises speculation about their role in the royal family's ongoing saga. With the news of Catherine Middleton's cancer diagnosis reverberating across the globe, questions arise about whether Prince Harry and Meghan Markle will return to the UK to support their sister-in-law during this challenging time. The royal family faces yet another crisis as Catherine bravely battles her illness. As the world watches their every move, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle have been active in their pursuits. From Meghan's new lifestyle brand, American Riviera Orchard, to Harry's upcoming speaking engagement at the Better Up conference, the couple remains in the public eye despite their step-back roles in the royal family. Amidst ongoing controversies and challenges, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle continue to face public scrutiny. From Donald Trump's remarks about Harry's immigration status to their downgraded status on the Buckingham Palace website, the couple navigates a complex web of public perception and speculation. As the saga of the British royal family unfolds, one thing remains certain: the world watches with bated breath, eager to see what the future holds for Prince Harry, Meghan Markle, and the rest of the royal family. That's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest royal news.